Bumalik na, dali. May na kasi signal lang Skype. Shopee. Live yan, live.
Hello mga ka-art. Well, kayo mga ka-art, ilang araw na lang. Pasko na. Ilang araw na lang ako exam niya. Alam kong super nervous na kayong lahat. Natandaan ninyo pagsuot lang niya. Kaya niya. Don't be so afraid because you have prepared and with the enough preparation, with the kind of quality education, positive you should be very confident in taking the board exam. Kasi naman kung kinakabahan na kayo, Diyos ko, gusto naman mga galing dyan sa katabi nyo. The confidence because you have been trained and you have been educated by the best reviewers that you can have in the Philippines. Friends wanted me to talk to you and inspire you or something to share to you before you take the board exam. And I would like to talk about my personal experiences on how I motivated you to top the board. You know, naniniwala ako sa power of dreams. I'm a person with big dreams, bigger than life. At alam ko ganun din kayo, you have your own dreams, you have big dreams, each of us. And these are the things that motivate us. So tandaan ninyo, ang pag-take ng board exam ay isang door sa pintuan para ma-reach nyo lahat ng inyong mga pangarap. Magaling sayang nga lang din and I'm not able to join you on this celebration. You know, I look forward for this. Sana we have big plans for the second Grand Day. I enjoyed last year's Grand Day. At sana nakasayaw din sana ako ng, you know, baby ako. But enjoy this Grand Day. It's time for you to relax. Huwag na kayong mag-aral. Sapat na ang inaral ninyo. Huli na ang lahat. Kung hindi man kayo nag-aral, okay? So this is the time to celebrate. And this is the time to unwind. When you go home, continue praying. You relax, you bond with your families, bond with your friends, because you know, taking the board exam, hindi lang kailangan ng mental preparation, but also emotional, spiritual, psychological. And be good. Maintain your values. I always say this to my students, be good. Kasi, you know, there's karma. Naniniwala ako sa karma at pinagpapala ni Lord ang mga mababait sa kanyang paningin. Kaya maging mabait, magdasal, magpasalamat, and be humble. Be humble. Okay? So, kailangan maging humble kasi alam niyo, walang kalugaran, walang lugar sa ating puso ang pagmamayabang. We should always think that there are people there who are far better than us. Nobody is indispensable. What we need to do is to do our best and be gracious and be thankful kapag nagtatagumpay. At kung hindi man, probably it's not yet the time for you. But I'm sure that this season, all our mga ka-arts will top the board exam.